Software Spring. Presents. Which is better, XLOOKUP or FILTER, to extract data in Google Sheets? Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the topic of whether XLOOKUP or FILTER is better to extract data. For more info on XLOOKUP and FILTER, please refer to their exclusive tutorials, whose links are given in the description. Here are the syntax of the formulas of the two functions. XLOOKUP. Filter. Let me extract the same data based on a vendor code. I will first use XLOOKUP and then filter. In the XLOOKUP function formula, I will use only these three mandatory arguments. First, type the desired search key. I will type a vendor code. Typing the search key in a separate cell has dual benefits. Prevents hard-coding the search key in the formula. Helps change the search key easily. Moving forward, type the equal to symbol, X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For search key, click this cell, and type comma. For lookup range, select this range, because it contains the vendor code, and type comma. For result range, select this range, because it spans the data we want to extract. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. XLOOKUP has extracted the data pertaining to this vendor code. Alright, you may ask, can XLOOKUP extract this row instead of this row? Absolutely. What we need to do is specify -1 as the value for the search mode. Search mode, default value of 1, searches from the first row to the last row. Search mode, value of -1, searches from the last row to the first row. Let me type -1 for the search mode in the formula. I have typed 2 commas to skip these 2 arguments and ensure that XLOOKUP assigns -1 to this argument. The final formula is. Press enter. Alright, XLOOKUP has reverse searched and extracted the data. Now, let me use the filter function to extract data based on this vendor code. Type the equal to symbol, F, I, L, and select filter. For range, select this range, and type comma. For condition 1, type this logical expression. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press enter. OK, filter has extracted the data from all the rows that fulfilled the condition. Key point. XLOOKUP can extract data from only one row. Filter can extract data from multiple rows. So, the question is, which is better, XLOOKUP or FILTER, to extract data? Both the functions are powerful and serve specific data extraction goals. Use the one that best meets your data extraction task on hand. Summary. XLOOKUP and FILTER can extract data spanning one or more cells or an entire row. FILTER can also extract data from multiple rows. XLOOKUP allows to specify one search key. Filter assists to specify multiple conditions. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.